Yo, today proved that the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes might be more anticipated by the masses than we thought. It was over 600,000 pairs that shock dropped today on the Nike SNKRS app, and there was a lot of L's, surprisingly, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated, bro. I had a couple on YouTube and chop it up with you guys. A lot of people comment on yesterday's video. I want to let you guys know about this shock drop happening. You know what I'm saying? Telling me you got a dub, a L, saying that it was a lot more limited than we thought, but it actually wasn't limited at all. It is a lot more people are trying to get these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. So if you guys are new to the channel, right now, what I need everybody to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. I love doing these recap videos just to see how people's release day went. This happens to be a shock drop, so this one shall be interesting down below in the comment section, man. And real quick, before we even jump into this little recap over the shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app, I want to let you guys know that the collection for the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes over on OutRank Brand is officially live, and you guys can actually download their app, which I'm gonna link down below, and it's super simple. It looks something similar to this, and it actually breaks down every single thing that they do have. And literally the first thing you do click on when you do get on the OutRank app is the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude collection, bro. They got hats, they got beanies, they got shorts. They literally have everything you need to match with these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. You guys can use my discount code TheVintage. Go ahead and check out. It's gonna be a limited drop. You can see in a day, bro. A lot more people to cop these things, and the collection on OutRank Brand is gonna go pretty quickly. So use that code TheVintage, save you 10% off your entire order, man. So yeah, man, it was over 600,000 pairs of these things that dropped on the Nike SNKRS app, which is crazy, bro. 600,000 pairs on the shock drop. I've never heard of that amount of pairs on a shock drop ever before, but that's so many pairs, but 600,000 pairs, and literally every single one of them sold out. It is crazy just to think about it. But like I said in the intro, man, these happen to be a little bit more anticipated than we thought, bro. Beginning of the year, people saying that they trash. People said they ain't copping them. People said that they want the original DMPs. And I was one of those people too. That happens today at 2:23 Eastern Standard Time, man. These joints shock drop, and they literally sold out instantly, bro. Like, it wasn't no, you take an L and then go back and on there and get another size. They literally were going within the first 10 minutes of the drop. And there was a lot of people pinning, bro. I literally was pinning for like 20 minutes. And after I got past 15 minutes, I knew I was going to take an L, bro. But go ahead, comment down below. Let me know in the comment section if you did secure a pair of these Gratitude 11s, man. Super nice. And it kind of feels a little bit better that I actually did go ahead and already pay for these things, because you never know what the resale is going to look like. And you definitely don't know how the official release day is going to go December 9th, bro. They did the shock drop about a month before the drop, but I'm already seeing it might be a super hard pair to cop on the release day, just based on what we're seeing on this shock drop, bro. 600,000 pairs, but y'all not realize that. Like, 600,000 pairs is a lot of sneakers in one, you know what I'm saying? These Gratitudes, and it just happened to be that today, bro, Nike sold all them things out. I don't know how that happened. Like I said, just a highly anticipated release. People coming out the woodworks copping, just like I told y'all, bro. Like, it literally happens every single year. You be scrolling on Instagram, you see a random person and cop a pair of sneakers, and they probably ain't bought a shoe all year long. But I'm telling y'all, bro, they always go out their way to secure a pair of the holiday Air Jordan 11s, bro. Super crispy pair, kind of resembles the Concords, definitely resemble the DMPs. But it's a nice little spin-off of, you know what I'm saying, the Gratitude rendition to these Air Jordan 11 things, man. So yeah, guys, man, we shall see an exclusive access here within the next couple weeks. You guys already know how the drop goes. We might even see 2 more exclusive accesses. But depending on, you know what I'm saying, or based off this 600,000 pair that dropped on the shock drop, that's just men pairs, 600,000 pairs. I think it was like 200,000 pairs in GS that dropped. That's nearly 1 million pairs on a shock drop, nearly 1 million pairs. That is crazy. But we shall see how, you know what I'm saying, Nike is allocating those pairs when they get closer to the release date, bro. So hopefully they drop a lot more pairs of these things. I definitely, you know what I'm saying, want to see people get a huge W on these things. Definitely a nice looking sneaker. I'm kind of salty. It's kind of crazy to think that I was bashing the sneaker before I got them in hand. But after I got them in hand, I said, bro, these things is actually fire, bro. Them deals is actually fire, man. So again, man, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you did secure a pair of these beautiful Air Jordan 11. Shock drop was crazy today. The comments was crazy in these videos. So hopefully everybody that's watching today got a W. I know not everybody got a W because me myself, I even took a huge L, bro. A huge L for your boy, the Vintage, which I kind of sensed that I wasn't gonna L after I was pinning for 15 minutes, man. This is probably the last pickup for a lot of people this year, and I'm pretty sure if you did hit on the shock drop today, you probably most likely ain't copied anything else. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know how y'all release date went. I'm super interested in knowing, man. Cannot wait to read all you guys' comments. Y'all go crazy on the like button. Y'all subscribe to the channel right now if you're new. And if you've been a part of the channel and you hit the notification bell yet, man, you sleeping, hit that notification bell because we helped a lot of people out today about this information on the shock drop happening today, the time, the place, all that good stuff, man. So go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content we drop on the channel, man. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. I know y'all see I ain't got the hat on today, bro. We got to switch up a little bit, but the hat definitely gonna be on next video. And with all this being said, man, your boy, the Vintage, is gonna catch y'all in next video, man. Peace.